Hey guys, welcome to Toy Scouter. It's me, Toy Hunter, and today we have a huge Darth Vader Orbeez surprise jar. If you guys like it, give me 2 big thumbs up. Before we begin, can you guys tell me the name of Darth Vader's son? If you know the answer, put it in the comment section below. Let's start with this red one. Check it out, guys. We got 2 little Angry Bird figures of Yoda and Anakin Skywalker. Yoda is green and he's holding his little lightsaber. And there's a little spot here for you to put your finger. And Anakin is a red Angry Bird and he has blonde hair. And he also has a lightsaber. Use the Force, Anakin. Yes, Master. Choo 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 choo. You can still never defeat me. I am your master. Yeah, right. Cuckoo. Ah. Hehehe. I defeated my master. Cool! We got a Disney villain figure keyring blind bag. Oh no! We got Ursula from The Little Mermaid. She's a black and purple octopus. She has 4 tentacles and some arms. Pretty cool. And here's a little keychain so you can put it on your backpack. Let's see what's in this white one. It's a Star Wars Action Light blind bag. Here it is, and we got the blue lightsaber. On the bottom is a little hanger so you can stick it on your backpack, just like that. And then over here, there's this button. You press it up, and the little blade comes out. And if you hold it, it lights up. It's pretty cool. That's pretty awesome. We got a Rat's Candy and Dispenser, and it's of Transformers. And on the back, here are all of the dispensers we can get. Here's the checklist, and we got Grimlock. Let's rumble! Here's Grimlock. Let's rumble! He has super sharp teeth, a cool green mohawk, and he's black, green, and yellow. So to use this thing, you just take off his hair. Here's a little hole for the candy. Now with still those candy, you just put the hair back on. And then snap it back, and candy pops out. Let's try this orange one. It's like a mango or orange flavor. Pretty good. Here, Darth Vader. Do you want some? Yeah. Yeah. Here you go. Do you guys want to try some? Alright, maybe that's enough candy for now. Thanks, Grimlock. Awesome! It's a Star Wars Micro Machines blind bag, series number 2. Here's a little starship we got. These things are pretty cool. It has 4 guns or lasers, and right here is the cockpit where the pilot sits. It's a Star Wars Dangler's blind bag. It's a C-3PO dangler. Looks pretty cool. It's all black in the back. And he's made of this gold metal. It's pretty awesome. Can you guys tell me the name of one of his best friends who's also a robot? He's this guy. He's white and blue and very small. If you know the name of this guy, put it in the comment section below. See you later! Whoa! We got a Star Wars E-Ray-C's blind bag, and inside comes with 2 E-Ray-C's. Here's the first E-Ray-C's we got, and it's in a bunch of little pieces. I'm gonna put it together real quick, and it's Chewbacca. He's a brown Yeti looking thing. It's pretty cool, right? He makes a weird noise like that in the movie because he doesn't know how to talk or speak English. And here's the second E-Ray-C's we got. Can you guys help me put it together? So this puzzle's pretty easy. There's only 2 pieces. And that's it. We're done. Here's the E-Ray-C of C-3PO. Let's see the difference. They're the same color, kinda. This gold and yellow. And this one, he's a lot bigger. Bro, it's me. Bro. Hey, that's weird. It's a Marvel Avengers Mashup, series number 2. We got Thor, also known as the God of Thunder. He's holding his trusty hammer. He has all of his armor on, even this cool helmet with wings on it. Let's test it out. What are you doing to me? Don't you know who I am? This is pretty cool. Check it out, guys. And you can pull his body. Let's see if we can take his hammer. Nope, doesn't work. This is pretty cool. Hey, put me down! Put me down! Oh, sorry about that. Are you guys ready to see what's in the Darth Vader Orbeez surprise jar? Let's check it out. And here's the first surprise we got, guys. It's a Star Wars Darth Vader figure. If you press this button, he makes his famous breathing noise. And the coolest thing about this toy is, if you pull out of his head, there's candy inside, and everybody loves candy. This is pretty good. Let's put his head back on. Alright. He's getting a little mad with us. Let's put him down. It's a Star Wars surprise egg, and it comes with 40 tattoos. Here are the tattoos we got, guys, and both sheets are identical. I want to try to put some on. Let's go with this one and this one. Check out the cool tattoo, guys. It's pretty awesome, huh? They're temporary, hopefully, so they should only last a couple days. Can you guys tell me who these two are? If you know the answer, put it in the comment section below. Alright, let's see what else we got in this thing. Whoa! We got a Blizzard Entertainment Cute But Deadly blind box, series number 1. And of course, on the back are all the figures we can collect. We got Diablo! Roar! It's pretty cool, but kind of scary. He's super spiky. He has a long tail and 2 horns. Whoa, this looks pretty cool. Check it out. He's sticking out his tongue. Rock on! Yeah! Rock on! And this, on top of his head, is called a Soul Stone. This thing is super awesome. It's an Imagine Eggs blind bag, series number 6. Here's the checklist. And on the back are all the figures. Here's the figure we got, and he looks super cool. He has a scythe and a shield that looks like a mushroom, and his face is a gnome. This is super cool. He has green pants on, yellow shirt, a long white beard, and a red hat. And this is actually a mask. This is his real face. I wonder if he's going trick-or-treating or something. Hey, yo, yo, yo. Ding, 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 yo. This is such a neat shield. I've never seen a mushroom shield before. And here's our very last surprise, guys. It's a Star Wars Episode 3 Revenge of the Sith plush. And the mini plush we got is Chewbacca. Isn't he super cute? He's super fluffy, soft, he's brown, and has this little sash. Which one do you guys like better? The erasee of Chewbacca? It has a lot of detail, or the super cute, fluffy Chewbacca? I think they're both pretty cool, but I like this one better. And we're all out of surprises, guys. Which one was your favorite? Mine was this little gnome guy and the plush of Chewbacca. I just thought they're super cool and unique. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And also, leave me a comment below and tell me what Orbeez surprise jar you guys want to see next. I'm Toy Hunter, and I'm out.